Let's quickly review UltimateTax Pro. This is a professional tax software tool that actually is very great. And in today's conversation, I want to really dig a little deeper. And this is important because for the last 11 months, we have investigated 82 professional tax preparation and research tools, culminating in the review of hundreds of features, pricing tiers, databases, and customer support models. Whenever we had clarifications or we had questions about specific thematics, we reached out to Ultimate Tax company representatives. And so this software review is part of a series that is a direct offshoot of our months-long initiative. We have rated the Ultimate Tax Pro software tools on 6 pivotal criteria. We have accuracy, number 1. Number 2, timely updates. Number 3, value for cost. Number 4, ease of use. Number 5, customer support. And number 6, availability of forms. Enjoy. I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is today's agenda. So we have overview. We're going to talk about certain considerations you need to think about before choosing Ultimate Tax professional tax software products. And I will review Ultimate Tax PPR, paper return, Ultimate Tax Online 1040, Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040, Ultimate Tax 1040 Plus Corporate, Ultimate DDR. Let's get into the overview here. So when you think about Ultimate Tax, I want you to think about free professional tax software data conversions. In other words, they will help you. They have a team in place to help you if you have to switch from, let's say, from Drake or Intuit or from Thomson Reuters to Ultimate Tax. That's number 1. You have a secure professional tax software environment. This is really good. You have all the tools and all the features that you have expected from a mid-tier professional software provider. When we think about Ultimate Tax, we're not thinking about a higher tier provider like the Walter Kluwer's, Walter Kluwer, or the Intuit or the Thomson Reuters. No, this is a mid-tier market here, but it's still great anyway. You have smart diagnostics with this tool. You have context-sensitive help. We love that. You have Launchpad. You have 365 customer service. This is really great, especially if you have the premium service. Okay, you have a lot of quintessential tax software features that we love, and you have also user friendliness, and you also have federal and state products. It's very important to understand that when we talk about Ultimate Tax, we not only look at the ability to use the software easily, we also look at conversion package, easy to get technical support, the quality of this support. This is very important. How do they handle retroactive tax law changes? And we also pay attention to how easy the software is when it comes to updating and installation. Okay, so our score for Ultimate Tax preparation software in general, 8.5 over 10. And it ranked number 6 in our top 10 best tax preparer software tools. You can go and watch this show after this one if you're interested. And for us, Ultimate Tax is great for micro and small practices. Okay, here is our evaluation approach in depth. Here is the video that talks about how we go about evaluating, categorizing, and reviewing tax preparer software tools on this show. Check this out. All right, there are a few considerations I want to talk to you about before telling you which Ultimate Tax preparer software tool is best for your practice. Okay, and I want you to really pay attention. So you want to focus on the practice size, and you want to think about the client focus, the state or federal regulations that you have to abide by, or you want to focus on business or personal tax returns or both. And I want you to look on right now on the screen. You can see our tax software research practice evaluation grade. Where do you situate yourself? Where do you situate your practice? Are you a small practice? Are you an international practice? Are you a mid-sized practice? Talk to me about that, because this has brand recognition. It has a software. It has some software implications. It has some brand implications. It has some other implications. Okay, and let's talk about IRS representation rights. Do you have them or not? Do you have CPAs, EAs, JDs on your team? Okay. Do you have limited representation rights or unlimited representation rights? Those will actually determine what kind of software you need from UltimateTax tax software. Okay, and what are your goals? What are your practice's goals? Do you have revenue growth in terms of do you have revenue growth goals in terms of client onboarding, branding, marketing? Okay, and where are you located? Are you thinking about scaling your business state-wise or nationwide? This will actually have an important element also in the kind of UltimateTax tax preparer software tool that you ultimately choose. Okay, let's talk about CPE and CE. Okay, CPE for CPAs and CEs for EAs. What is your take on that? So all these things, all this constellation of elements will be very important when it comes to choosing an UltimateTax tax preparer software tool. What about research and information needs? Okay, so when we analyze tax preparer software, we always do so in conjunction with three key processes that, in our view, any practice needs to pay attention to if it wants to survive and thrive. So we pay attention to seasonality. In other words, seasonality and cyclicality. All right. We pay attention to stability, how well diversified your business model is. This is important. And we pay attention to sustainability. Sustainability, in other words, are you going to be around 5 years from now or 10 years from now? What are the strategies you put in place to have a sustainable practice model? Those are important. Let me quickly review the first product. So we have UltimateTax PPR. PPR standing here for pay per return. Okay, this is actually, you can actually start your tax preparation business with this PPR version anywhere, anytime. If you are a single member practice, you can start today. And so business returns are available upon request and small additional fee per return. Okay, if you prepare more than 30 returns per year, you can get more savings. You can actually explore the UltimateTax 1040 online. I'll speak about that later on. But all I want to say is that the PPR, the UltimateTax PPR, is great for a smaller practice. I mean, really, really small practices. You have a single member practices, oligo member practices. Okay, and if you have more information, if you want more information, call 1-866-686-7211. And the one thing I want to say here is that you can file your client's taxes better with this tool. You can save money on your professional tax software. You pay only what you need. Okay, each filed return is only $15 each. No need to overspend on your startup business if you conduct less than 30 returns per year. Okay, so this includes a fee collect and versicom on each return. You can work anywhere, anytime. You can go mobile and set up your office from home or a co-working space. No need to invest in an office right away or go to a co-working space. Not needed. Okay, you can see real-time progress status on filed returns. This is really good. And what we love here is that you can ensure accuracy with smart diagnostics. You have English and Spanish forms available with interview style data entry. This is really good. You have exceptional tax preparation software support. We have tested the support is really great, especially during tax season from December all the way to March or April. You also have, you're able to start right away. What we found is that the installation is very easy. There's no need to worry about your device's compatibility. You can use your desktop, laptop, or even a 7-inch tablet. Okay, and so all in all, this is great. I want you to look on the screen right now. The pricing here is the pricing. Okay, all right. And you also have revenue generating add-on products. so you can offer more services to your clients as a way to expand and build your tax preparer business. So our score for this product relative to other Ultimate Tax products, 9/10. So this is great for single member practices, oligo member practices, multi-member practices, small and mid-sized practices, especially those who are interested in pursuing the PPR route. Let's talk about Ultimate Tax Online 1040. This is a great product. This is actually our favorite, one of our favorite products. And here you want to go with this product if you're looking for hassle-free and easy to use online professional tax software. Okay, and you can do that. You can file unlimited 1040s with this software anywhere, anytime. You prepare taxes anywhere, anytime. You can file your client's tax return better with no confusing tax software installation. You don't have to install any software. Okay, the data is secured. You can see real-time progress. This is really good. You have less costs. So if you fund 30 or more bank products each season, you can receive this professional tax software free. Okay, and you have paperless filing, and you have e-signature, faster turnaround time for tax preparation. So this is really good. We love the fact that Ultimate Tax has really invested in this tool, allowing users to have to file 1040s more easily, more quickly. This is really good, and all states are included. And you also have increased mobility, so you have up to 10 users can access the program on different devices. Additional users can be added to up to a total of 100. Obviously, there is additional cost per user, and you need to really actually call Ultimate Tax to have more information. And we love the fact that you have effective tax preparation support on these programs. So they basically have a 365 support, what they call 365. So you are basically receiving support around the clock. Okay. One thing I want to see here is that you also want to think about the fact that you have free software data conversions. So you don't have to worry about if you have to transfer your data from Intuit, Lacert, or other programs into this Ultimate Tax. You're always covered. Okay. So they have software specialists that are available to help you, and without any charge, that's for sure. And you're able to back up everything and transfer all the data, your client data, from the original software to the new software. Okay. And one thing I want to say is I want to show you on the screen here. Here is the pricing. So here also they have a revenue generating add-on products. So you are able to offer more services to your clients as a way to expand and build your tax preparer business. This is really cool. And our score relative to other Ultimate Tax products, 9.5/10. We believe that the Ultimate Tax Online 1040 is a great tool. 9.5/10. Who is it? Is this for? Single, oligo, multi-member practices, small and mid-sized practices. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation about which Ultimate Tax Preparer software is best for your practice. And I want to talk to you now about Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040. So when you think about Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040, this is just the desktop version of the online one that I just reviewed. Okay, this is important. And but the funny thing is that this is one of the most popular of Ultimate Tax products. You can grow your tax preparation practice with a professional tax software designed specifically for full-time tax preparers. So before we were talking about people who are newbies, here this is for people who are full-time tax preparers. This is what they do. You have templated forms for all 50 states. You can maximize your earning potential. You have paperless filing, unlimited users, smart diagnostics. This is really good. You have dependable US-based phone and chat support from professionally trained software specialists, and you have a faster turnaround time for tax preparation. So we love that. So when you think about Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040, you are able to have an easy user interface that helps you finish your client's tax returns in a matter of minutes. Okay, this is really good. You can actually benefit from W-2, 1099, and prior year software. You can prepare taxes using templated forms included all states. We love the templated forms that Ultimate Tax offers. These are really, really good. And the cool thing here is that there is the ability to integrate this software with the Ultimate Desktop 1040 Plus Corporate if you feel the need to file business returns. Okay. And one thing I also want to say is that you also have the ability to e-file. You have e-signature. You have a launchpad, interview mode, and reports. Okay, you're able to see detailed reports about everything that concerns your client's returns. You can see the tax returns statuses. This is really good. You can improve client satisfaction with data-based decisions and improve your tax business. That's the bottom line, right? The bottom line is to grow revenue, right? And Ultimate Tax gives you the tools and resources for that. And you are able to ensure accuracy for all tax returns that you prepare. So this is really good. And let's talk about pricing. I want you to see right now on the screen. Here is the pricing. And again, here also you can add revenue generating add-on products. You can offer more services to your clients as a way to expand and build your practice. And our score relative to other Ultimate Tax products, 9.5 over 10. And who is this for? This is for all practices. All practices will benefit from this product. Let me talk to you about Ultimate Tax 1040 Plus Corporate. So when we talk about 1040 Plus Corporate, we are talking about a hybrid offer. So if you want to be able to file individual returns and business returns, this is the products for you. So you have desktop plus business returns. You're able to grow your business tax preparation software. Here you can provide excellent tax preparation services for B2C and B2B. Okay, you're able to guarantee client satisfaction with unlimited 1040 and corporate forms, inclusive of all states. All states, folks, all states. You have free paperless filing, smart diagnostics, faster turnaround time for tax preparation. You can maximize your earning potential. That's for sure, because you're able to actually have more clients. You have B2B clients. Okay. And you have unlimited users, so you can cater to more clients. You can hire more tax professionals. You can equip all of your tax preparers with Ultimate Tax 1040 Plus Corporate. And what we love is that you have also access to the same customer support. You have unlimited US-based phone and chat support from professionally trained software specialists. This is really good. And I'm showing you right now on the screen the system requirements. Okay, this is important to keep this in mind. And in terms of when we talk about 1040 Plus Corporate, what does that include? You have a fiduciary 1041, partnership 1065, C corporation 1120C, S corporation 1120S, estate tax 706, give tax 709, exempt organization 990, and miscellaneous. So you have it goes from 1023 all the way to SS4 W9 A857. Okay, and the cool thing about this product is that you have the same capabilities you see in other products. You can e-file it. You ensure accuracy for all tax returns prepared. You have the ability to have e-signature. And what we love is that you have free software plus more than 75 funded bank products. Think about that. This is kind of cool because you're able to grow your revenue and you want to pay attention to that. Okay. You have a launch pad. You have interview mode, detailed reports. Fantastic. And the pricing you can see on the screen. And obviously you have also revenue generating add-on products. You can offer more services to your client as a way to expand and build your tax preparer business. One thing we have found is that all these products are kind of interesting in terms of helping you boost your bottom line. That's what you need. You want software that helps you not only during tax season, but beyond, because we are speaking about sustainability here. We're not talking about only seasonality or cyclicality here. No, your business needs to exist beyond March or April. And this is the kind of stuff that Ultimate Tax helps you do. And our score relative to other Ultimate Tax products, 9 over 10. And this software is for small, mid-sized, regional, national, and international practices. Let's talk about Ultimate DR. Ultimate DR. So really, this is for if you are just this software is a great alternative if you are looking for a complete package for individual customers, not business. You can't file business returns with this one. If you're just looking for individual customers and you want to buy the software, it will cost you $1,195. So you have everything from document management, unlimited e-filing. You have all the accomplished returns. If you add $100, you have extra features like corporate client write-up and record and tracking of customer invoices, shipments, payments, and balances. Okay. And basically, this Ultimate Tax service sells tax software to fit your needs at the most affordable prices. And what they did was they were very smart because Ultimate Tax actually partnered with Drake Tax to provide tax professionals with all-in-one tax software. So you get all the features and benefits of using Drake Tax software at a lower price. So this is kind of cool if you are already familiar with Drake and you just want to diversify a little bit. If you get this Ultimate DR, this is kind of cool, okay? So Ultimate DR is just a hybrid between Ultimate and Drake. DR standing for Drake, okay? And here you have so you get the speed you need. So Ultimate DR will help you do everything quickly with automation. We love that. We love the fact that you're able to automate things very quickly. You spend less time preparing returns and more time building your client base. And this is where your time should be spent. Your time shouldn't be spent trying to add and subtract deductions and credits or all that kind of stuff. This is good. This is the basic of your practice, yeah. But you need to spend more time trying to bring in more clients, okay? So with just a click, you can get calculation results and a full return view. You have easy backups. You have shortcut keys and macros. You have easy updates. You have automatic data flow from a federal return to state and city returns. For those of us who are really familiar with Drake software, this is just bonanza because you're able to get Drake's functionalities at a lower price. This is really good. You save time with optional hardware if you want to because you have the ability to add a digital signature pad and let your clients e-sign forms and bank applications. You can also add a 2D barcode scanner to import W-2s or K-1s with a 2D barcode. It's totally up to you. You have multi-states returns. You have taxpayer forms in Spanish. This is kind of cool because this software works easily with bilingual forms. You can cater to clients who prefer to prepare taxes in Spanish. Okay, this is really good. You can update prior year data. This is kind of good also. So the price, $11.95, wonderful. So our score relative to other Ultimate Tax products, 8.5 over 10. This is for single, oligo member, multi-member, and small practices. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. I was talking to you about which Ultimate Tax Preparer software is best for your practice. So I gave you an overview. We spoke about a few considerations. I talk about Ultimate Tax PPR, Ultimate Tax Online 1040, Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040, Ultimate Tax 1040 Plus Corporate, and Ultimate DDR. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.